You guys dominate the third period, you don't come away with a win. It's got to be frustrating.
Yeah, it's a sour feeling.
Have you described what happened on that final one?
Yeah, I didn't see the shot at the last second, and I think it hit either my stick or body and went in the net. So.
To still do it.
Sure, got 3 games. Yeah. So always a possibility. So.
You feel like you have to win all 3 games?
I think so. We're capable of doing it, so we're playing well enough to do it.
The overall stretch you've been on, you guys have been playing great hockey. I mean, over the last 6 games. So.
That's you know, we're kind of playing our game that we want to play. So it's frustrating we can't get an extra point there. So.
Timmy's and Phil, as well as you guys are playing, the other 2 teams you're chasing are winning every night too. It seems like. How frustrating is that to look up?
It sure is. I mean, I think at this time of the year you hope for a break here and there, but we're not getting them. So it's still possible. So keep plugging away.